His reaction, so nice. He's got.
Ooh, right home. Machoke again.
Just to let you know, you got loads of cards.
So
Loads of the exact same cards.
too many fighting energies, Ryan.
And
And
the last
Skilly.
card, I got Skilly in reverse hollow, so. Bah, 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 bah.
Why are you doing that?
I don't know. Well, we opened the Septile tin last thing. We got Slay King and we got Articuno Ancient. That's just. We did amazing. We had such pack luck. All we're doing is waiting for Harvey CJ to come back.
So hurry.
Harvey.
Hurry, CJ.
I hear him now.
They were very good cards.
Who's this?
What? Who do?
Harvey CJ's back.
CJ.
No, it's John Cena.
No.
Oh, there's your jacket on the floor out there.
Jones.
On your jacket on the floor out there.